Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to work a Wolf watch winder. I've got two of my watches, so I've got a Tag and I've got a new Breitling I've just bought. And as you know, you need to keep winding them up all the time, so I've got a Wolf watch winder. So let's open the box and have a look. So let's move that over there. So this is what we've just had out of the box. Looks like some instructions. Sounds like parts or an adapter, and I don't know what that is, so we'll have a look at that. So let's have a look at the actual automatic winder itself. So, take that out, nice little bag. There's the seal. First impressions, looks nice. What's that? Oh, for moisture. So, first impressions, looks okay. Nice leather case, or on the back. You can run it on batteries, you could put it in the wardrobe. Or power supply. So, yeah. Very nice feel to it, very, very nice. Okay, so you hold these together and pull it out. Hold on. Right, okay. Pop it back in for now. Let's see what's in here. Oh, power adapter. So you can run it on a power adapter or batteries. We're in the UK, so we're not going to need those ones. So let me just look. Oh, that's pretty easy. Yep, another farm one. Oh, you've got a different size adapter there, that's handy. I've got a plug by me, so let me just plug this into the wall quick. So what's in here? Oh, must be a spare. Yeah, it's a spare, look. Spare for inside for your watch. Okay. Let's pop that back in there. Okay, just out of the way. That's in here. Oh, just instructions and everything. So, registration. Oh, so you can connect it to, you can connect the power to multiple winders if you want. Okay. And scan to access the manual. Well, we won't do that because I've used one before. So let's have a look. Just take these out the way. So put those out the way. So this is our winder. So I've plugged it into the power. So we're going to plug this in here. We'll turn it off. I'm going to plug it in there. And we're going to turn it around just so the writing is facing up, so we know. Feels really nice. Open it up. Let's take this out. So push it together and pull. That's nice and easy. It's quite spongy. Oh. Right, okay. So first watch we're going to show you Here's the tag, and these are original, these are not the fakes. So the tag would just go on like so, and then you would squash that down. Let me have a look. Squash that down and put it on so it protects it. So you pop that in there so it clips in. Shut the door. I'll hold it up so you can see, and we'll turn it on. So there you go. It'll do the first test after about 10 seconds, I think it is, and it does 900 revolutions a day. So it imitates your the movement on your wrist, which keeps the watch wound, so you never have to wind it back up or change the date. So that's the tag one. So let's just take that out, squash it down, just take this off. So just put it by there. And this is a new one I've bought. It's Breitling, so, and this is my favourite, I gotta be honest. It's a limited edition of one of only 150 chronograph, which is a very, very nice watch. So just to give you for instance, I don't know if you can see this, but on the back it's got the all the Welsh nice bits. It's never been worn, by the way. I only tested it in the shop. I only had it in the shop once. So it's I just like collecting watches. So there you go, fits in nice. And again, if we put it in, just click it in. So you hear it pop. And we shut that up, and if you look, nice and safe. So if we turn it on again, there you go. That will keep the watch wound. So once it's turned 900 times, it'll stop. It'll wait until the next day, and then it'll start all over again. And you can leave these things run for years. So no matter which watch you want to wear when you go out, you'll always have the right time. So hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.